This is a video to show you how to put the battery in our STS-410 alarm. I already took the 4 screws out of the back and took the back cover off. This is our new battery. It's smaller than before. There's 3 different versions of what this battery looks like, but they're all the same size. They all have the same terminal. I went ahead and fished the wire through this back of the keypad. And now all we need to do is connect it to this quick release terminal located right here. You can see on the circuit board, the plus sign is on the left, the negative is on the right. So when you stick this in, just make sure that the red wire is on the left, black is on the right. If you look at the plug, it's the end that has a little groove on the bottom. So it's just going to go in. And if you look at these terminals, you can see they really do line up. It's possible they're off just a slight hair, but they are in the right location. And then all you're going to do is simply plug it in. So it's smaller than before, but there it is. And then push it down. Go right in. And then once that's nice and snug, it's connected. You can go ahead and put your keypad back together. And once it's back together, make sure this on, the backup battery switch right here is switched to on. Plug in your power. The alarm will power on. Then you can unplug the power and just flip the keypad over, and you're going to make sure that the keypad still shows that the screen's on, that it still has power. And if it does, then you know the battery's working. And you can go ahead and plug your power back in, and you're all set. Put your 4 screws back in, and you can mount it back on the wall.